Hi?
Bitch, I swear to God, if you stare at us with that psychotic ass look one more time.
Who are you guys?
We're the Canaries.
Say. She looks a lot like Batwoman.
Batwoman? You idiots know Kate?
Wait a minute. If we're all here, then where the fuck is Harvey? That fucking bitch literally sent us to the middle of nowhere with fucking rip-off Batwoman.
I'm not a rip-off. And technically she's a rip-off of Batman.
At least her name doesn't end in girl.
Okay, Bat. Girl. What was the last thing you remember?
I remember I was at the library and—
Aw. She's so cute. Just listen to that adorable voice.
I can't even finish my fucking sentence anymore.
Hey kid, watch your language.
No. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you.
Sorry, Mrs. Queen. Oh my God. Your mom? She just totally busted me.
Seriously?
Yes. Honey.
Somebody is in big trouble.
Shh.
Good morning, Laurel.
Cat. Fucking. Grant.
In the flesh.
How did you get in here?
Now that's a long story.
Wait, where's everybody else?
Caitlin's with them now in the medical room as we speak.
Wait, Caitlin's here too.
You might be wondering why a multi-billionaire queen of media is currently at your presence.
I guess. Also, how did you find us?
I had a little help from your friend, Gideon.
Why wouldn't they help the baddest bitch on the planet?
I really need to get me one of these. Anywho, we tracked you guys down to Earth 5.
Earth 5. But Sarah said we were on Earth real life, unless that fucking bitch Harvey tricked us.
Well, now that I've finally finished explaining, let me tell you the reason why I'm here. About 2 months ago I just woke up and went to work. Instead of walking in to see President Marsden, I saw that prick Lex Luthor sitting in her seat. I take it you already know the answer why.
Yeah, I know. He obviously changed his history with the Book of Destiny during Crisis. It's a long story.
Anywho, I knew something was wrong. I knew it had something to do with the world's changing. So I've spent the past 2 months digging up whatever dirt I could find on him, and I stumbled across information.
What?
Lex Luthor is in charge of a secret organization that's sole purpose is to rid this world of heroines. One of the victims I noticed on his list was you, and I found out you went missing for a month. Witnesses say they just saw you disappear.
That prick Harvey must have had something to do with that organization then.
Yes, he did. But you're okay now, thank God. But the next person on his list is Helena Bertinelli.
Huntress. No one's heard from her in years.
Which is why I'm gonna need your help locating her before anything happens to her. Once we find her, I was hoping for all of us to take down that prick once and for all.
So the iconic Cat Brand is asking me to help her assemble a team of badass women to take down a misogynist organization led by that prick Luthor?
You summarized it pretty well.
Deal.
Renee? Damn it, Renee, where are you when I need you most?
Come with me, miss. I'll get you to the nearest police station.
You're shady looking enough without the gay pants.
What the fuck? That was rude.
It's also rude to clearly be a kidnapper, but you're doing that.
Fair enough. But you're still coming with me. Mr. Luthor promised me a popcorn machine if I brought you to him without a hitch.
Why a popcorn machine? Why not snow cones? Why would you want the inferior machine-made movie snack?
It is not inferior. Damn it, you're coming with me.
It's great to see you again, Laurel.
You too, Caitlin.
I'm sorry for what happened to you.
It's okay, I'm alive and well right now, and that's all that matters. Also, since when are you and Cat Grant friends?
It's a long story. But she came to me yesterday when I wasn't in a good mood and told me about what happened to you guys, so I immediately came.
Ah, why weren't you in a good mood?
Because all my friends at Star Labs died in an accident a month ago.
Wait, what? Even Cisco and Iris? Caitlin, I'm so sorry for your losses.
It's okay. But if we work with Cat, maybe we can prevent another loss from happening.
Sarah, Laurel and I are already fully on board. Laurel filled us in. Dinah on the other hand. Bitch, I'm not changing my mind. You heard what Cat said. Helena is in danger, and possibly many other women we can save.
Those women are heroes, Laurel. They can protect themselves.
We're heroes who were able to protect ourselves, till we got sent to another world for a full month by the hands of these people.
That was different. That was probably not because of the organization, it was probably because your whore ass stood the bitch up so many times. That came out wrong, I'm sorry.
Fine. Then you stay here like the useless dick you are. You spent years reminding me of how I'm the bad guy. But right now I wonder who the true hero really is.
God, I'm such an idiot. What was I thinking?
Gideon, where is Laurel? I need to talk to her.
Laurel has taken the jump ship to Starling City 2006.
Laurel, we need to talk.
What the hell are we gonna do with you?
I didn't ask to be brought here, woman.
Chill out, kid. You're apparently not even from this earth anyways.
Wait, the multiverse is real. Bruce always told me it wasn't.
We don't know how on earth you ended up getting mixed in with us, but until we find out exactly which earth you're from and how to take you back, you stay put, kid.
I'm tired of how everyone on this earth is disrespectful. Back on mine, Batgirl gets praised.
Well, it's too bad we're not on your earth. Here, kids your age actually attend school just as they should.
I had this memory earlier. It was something that never happened to me. Let me guess. It was about Oliver? Yeah. It was. I guess we have some kind of psychic connection now that we're together on the same earth. I just miss him. I'm sure he missed you too. That's not true. If he missed me, he would have brought me back like the rest of them. Laurel, I loved Oliver. I just don't get this. I asked the same question, but never got an answer. He was my everything. But I guess he just didn't feel the same way about me.
Ugh. That bitch Cat knows too much. And the canary bitches are back. I knew I couldn't trust that Harvey prick. And it won't be sooner or later till Cat and her friends show up and take down everything I worked for and expose everything to the world.
Mr. Luther,
Otis, what brings you by?
I've completed my task, sir. The Bertinelli girl is in our custody as we speak.
Wow, already? That was fast. Otis, look in that drawer over there.
Isn't this the air totem, sir?
Yes, it is. I had Mercy steal it for me a while back.
But why are you giving it to me?
Because you're the only idiot that hasn't failed me yet. But you have to do something for me in return.
What?
When Cat and the girls show up, I'm gonna need 24/7 protection. You don't know what they're capable of. So I'm gonna need you and Mercy here by my side till this whole thing gets resolved.
It'll be my pleasure.
Good. Cat, you may be a woman capable of a lot of things. But you're a fool if you really think you could take down the Lex Luthor himself.
Is everything okay, Laurel?
Yeah, I'm fine. I just needed to talk to Laurel about Oliver.
She's a strong woman, I'm pretty sure she'll be okay. Did you come up with any ways to help Huntress?
Hey Gideon,
Yes?
can you locate Helena Bertinelli?
Give me a second. Cannot locate?
The fuck do you mean you can't locate her?
Those fuckers must have found a way to disguise themselves from being tracked.
Now how the fuck are we supposed to find Helena?
Maybe you can get your lazy ass up and go look for her.
Gideon, wait, you're right. I can gather the Canaries plus Caitlin and we can go off to find Harvey and interrogate him.
I like that plan.
Gideon, what the fuck is going on?
Otis is using the air totem and blowing wind onto the Wave Rider.
Wait, Gideon, show the cam outside.
This is a message from Mr. Luther. Back the fuck off.
It finally stopped. I literally almost threw up the coffee from this morning.
Gideon, is Otis still outside?
Otis has fled the scene after destroying our cameras.
Gideon, I want you to locate him then.
I am not able to locate him.
Bitch, are you for real?
I think I know a way to track him.
Sarah. What are you on about?
I have a friend that specializes in totems. We would have to travel to Africa 1944 though. Gideon's at a Corstus in Bazy 1944.
Yikes, sorry, I had no idea you were here. Oh god, you're still going off about how Laurel hates you.
Why is it your business, bitch?
Grow up already, this isn't high school. Just tell her you like her already. Bitch, don't even bother doing that surprised face. I studied psychology, remember? Spill girl.
It's like, I thought this month without us seeing each other would bring us closer. But instead it's done nothing but make us argue constantly.
Maybe it's because she's still trying to adjust to everything that she's missed. I mean, it's not every day you lose a month of your life by the person that killed your fiancé then get saved out of nowhere by Cat fucking Grant who tells you the fate of all superheroines is at stakes and it's only up to you to save them.
Holy shit. How come I never thought of it like that?
Maybe because you're a selfish bitch. Here's a little piece of advice from another Laurel herself. We hate being lied to. Just tell her exactly how you feel and I promise you, she'll understand.
Thank you. You know you really are a great people's person. I'm surprised that fat bitch Mark always had you put out as the annoying one. Gideon, what is it?
You are being ordered to go to the command bridge.
Go to the command bridge.
Laurel Lance has a mission for you.
Laurel sent us on a mission. Yay. So she doesn't hate me.
Are you sure this is the right place?
Yes, you two wait here. I'll go fetch Amaya.
So what's the plan?
You're asking me.
I mean, you are the legendary Black Canary.
Says the iconic Cat Grant.
I'd say the splitting up is a good idea. We'll use the totem to try and locate Helena, while the others can get more information on Lex for us.
Period.
Glad you guys could make it.
So what exactly did Laurel assign us to do?
Laurel assigned us to track down Harvey. I already had Gideon locate him.
Where is he now?
He's currently at some rundown motel downtown.
Is that literally the only place this bitch knows how to go to?
Pretty much.
By the way, where did Laurel, Sarah, and Kat go to anyways?
Africa, 1944. What's so funny?
Bitch finna come back with sunburns everywhere after getting chased by them hyenas.
Sarah.
Amaya.
You have no idea how much I've missed you.
The Wave Rider hasn't been the same without you, but that's not why I'm here.
It must be serious if you came for me.
Somebody has stolen a totem, and I don't know what else to do.
I'm always happy to help an old friend. Let's go.
Where did you manage to steal a police car from?
I stole it from my dad.
Since when were you the bad bitch?
Since always, period.
I just realized, where the fuck is Caitlin?
Apparently this bitch never even needed a ride. Look, there she is right there.
Such a bad bitch.
Period.
Does this car have music?
I don't know. Check.
Since when was your dad a Nicki Minaj fan? Oh. I love this song.
Bitch, let me dance too.
Those bitches had no clue what hit them. Now there's no chance of them escaping where I sent them.
Who the fuck is that?
Just a random old village fool. Some witch gave him powers, so whenever he's not dead asleep he's using them to harass some children or pick a fight with me.
Should we take him back to the village?
No, let's just go.
You fucking dumbass. Your dancing made us drive into someone's fucking kitchen.
How was I supposed to know? I was in the vibe. Period. It's Caitlin. Hello, Caitlin.
Where the hell are you guys?
We sort of had a minor setback.
Ugh. Well, you two slowpokes were slacking off. Frost and I managed to capture Harvey.
Bitch, what? Ask her where the fuck she took him.
Dinah asked where you took him.
We're at Star Labs. I locked him in our secret metahuman containment cell.
Get me out of here.
Oh my god, really?
Yes!
Wow, that's so cool, girl.
Tell her I said she's literally the baddest bitch.
Dinah told me to tell you that you're the baddest bitch.
Just as I should be. By the way, where are you guys?
Yeah, about that. Do you think you could get Frost to come give us a ride? Ours kind of got destroyed.
Already on it.
Hello, bitch. Miss me?
Where the fuck did you guys take me? And why aren't my powers working?
Because you're trapped in a metahuman containment cell, you dumbass. Okay, now listen. I really don't have all day, okay? I got a girl I need to impress, so if you could please spare me the I'll give you info if you let me out speech, I'd really appreciate it.
Just asked me for Lex Luthor's location already.
Okay. Where's Lex?
He's at one of his secret offices nobody knows about. It's located in his home city Metropolis. That's also where he's keeping the girl you guys are looking for. I promise you that's all I know. I don't know the exact address. But what I do know is tonight he plans on moving the hell and the girl over to a new spot.
Why are you just telling me all of this? How after everything you've done are you just gonna simply tell me all of this?
Because, at this point I don't see the reason in running anymore. This 20 minutes locked in a cell all vulnerable made me realize how much of an annoying asshole I really am.
Imagine how helpful it would have been if you realized this a month ago.
You know I wasn't always like this. The day I got hit with the particle accelerator was the day I lost my humanity.
Bullshit. Are we just gonna ignore the fact that you're the reason why the Queen's Gambit went down? I mean, how could you just do that to Laurel? She was your friend. She trusted you.
You've never heard my side of the story.
Oh, for the love of God. Fuck it, just tell your story.
The day I took out the parts to the Gambit was one of the biggest regrets I have in life. I was threatened to do it. The choices were either watch my family, the people I cared most for in this world, die in front of me, or to kill Oliver Queen.
You had a family?
Yes. A beautiful wife named Isabella. And a beautiful daughter named Dinah.
Were they okay?
After I came back and did as I was told, I found out I was betrayed. I saw my wife Isabella on the floor dead. And Dinah.
What happened to her? Please stop crying. You're making me feel sympathy for you.
There was a note left behind. It said Dinah was with him and that I was never gonna see her again.
Ouch, I'm so sorry.
She was just about to start college. She had her whole life ahead of her.
College? Bitch, how old are you even?
46.
Bitch, the fuck? That's literally exactly how old my parents are. Coincidences.
I'm truly sorry for everything I've put you guys through. The day I lost my family was the day I realized to survive in the world we live in, it's always every man for himself.
As twisted as you are. At least you aren't a deadbeat dad and actually cared for your family. My dad left my mom while she was pregnant. Never got to meet the man.
What happened to your mother?
In 2007, I came home to find her dead.
That's the same year my Isabella and Dinah were taken from me.
Dinah? Wait, what is your last name?
Drake. Harvey Drake.
And your daughter is?
Dinah Drake. Why, does that name mean anything to you?
I am Dinah Drake. Dad?
Dinah?
Are you okay?
I can't breathe.
No.
Kat, Laurel, meet Amaya.
Hello, ladies. It's a privilege to meet you.
Amaya, gee whiz, I live and breathe. You are the original superheroine. Sarah, you didn't tell me I was meeting the vixen.
Oh, Kat, I know my fair share about you, the queen of all media. Katgo was my introduction to everything in the 2010s while I was on the Legends ship.
I see a friendship forming between the two of you already. I'd love to watch two powerful women keep complimenting each other, but we've got work to do back in 2020. Back to the Wave Rider we go.
What happened to Harvey?
Oh, he's dead. Like dead.
What the fuck?
I thought you'd do a victory dance right about now.
Bad guy or not. We don't just kill our prisoners. You literally stole the man's oxygen.
That was Frost. Sorry. Anywho, did you get any information out of him?
Yes, I'll fill you guys in on the way. We have to head back to the Wave Rider. I'm pretty sure Laurel and them are back by now. Speaking of Laurel, where's OG Laurel anyways?
I really shouldn't have touched that red button.
Wow. Back on the Legends ship. It almost feels like I never left.
You must be Amaya. It's an honor to meet you. I'm Caitlin.
The honor is all mine, Caitlin. I look forward to working with you.
I assume Sarah filled you in?
Yes. Something about a complete psycho stealing one of the totems.
So you know just as much as I do.
It appears so.
Well, I'll let you meet everybody else, but after all this is done, I'd love to hear all about you.
I think I'd like that.
Welcome back, Amaya. Okay, everybody, now that Gideon has been so kind to gather you all here, Laurel and I will be telling you all about the plan. But first, Batgirl, did you find anything?
Yes, actually, Otis is running around the city causing complete terror. He needs to be stopped before Star City is completely destroyed.
Oh shit.
What the hell is he doing?
We've got to go after him. Surely they can track down Helena without us.
Kat is right. The two of us will track down Otis. Laurel, Caitlin, and Dinah will go after Harvey, and the rest of you will stay here in case something else happens. So you travel everywhere in a limo?
Pretty much. I usually have a driver, but I guess a random hiker girl from another Earth driving us from a time-traveling ship works too.
And this isn't even the weirdest thing happening today.
Ha ha ha. Even through all this crazy bullshit, it was amazing to meet all the ladies. Gideon is the fucking best. I met one of my personal role models, and you're an inspirational leader.
You're not too bad yourself. I think we make a great team.
If we are able to save Huntress from somebody with as much power as the president, we are an unstoppable team.
Speaking of Huntress, how do you know her?
She's one of the many badass ladies I met throughout the past 4 years while traveling the world. There are big things in her future. The world needs Huntress.
If I have anything to do with it, Huntress isn't going anywhere. With our combined skills, we will take those fucking losers down and save the lives of countless superheroines. Let's get this shit done.
I like the sound of that.
Hello,
Hi!
I'm Amaya. And you are?
A bit busy steering a limo. Are there no smaller cars on this earth?
I'm not the one to ask about modern technology. Just earlier today I was back in the 1940s running my village.
Oh, you are that totem chick. I'm Barbara.
It's great meeting you. Sarah said you might need some help.
She sent a 1940s woman to help with hacking?
I'm a quick learner.
Fine. What do you know about computers?
That's where you go to visit the internet.
I swear all those canaries hate me.
Maybe I could help you track down the missing girl.
Fine. Watch this screen for any. Oh no.
Did I do something wrong?
I've got to warn Kat and Laurel.
What the fuck is that?
Can't even have a fucking car ride go right.
I'll have the driver pull over.
I don't see anything.
What in the hell made that noise?
Oh hell, not this bitch.
Surprised to see me?
Your life must be so tiring walking around everywhere with Lex's tiny cock shoved down your throat. You pathetic dick eat. That was amazing.
I've had about enough of these Lex minions ruining my day.
Let's get back on the road to Otis. Batgirl said Otis would be here.
Well, where the hell is he?
Looking for me?
Why do you always feel the need to make a dramatic entrance? Is that what's using up all your brain cells?
Don't try messing with me, bitch. You're not gonna fool me with your mind games.
Back up, Cat. I got this.